Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1971 Dodge Challenger Convertible. Now if you got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice that this front bumper is in excellent condition, along with the rest of the stainless and the grille. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you can see it's got beautiful body lines that flow here from the front all the way to the back. Now as you come on around the driver's side, you can see that this black paint is accented by the white stripes, which is the factory option for this car. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here on the inside. The interior of this car is done in the factory correct option as well. You'll notice we got the bucket seats and the console, which houses the factory 3-speed shifter. Now as you look across the dash, you'll notice the wood grain accents, which tie in beautifully to the console and the steering wheel. And as we come on around, you can see the door panels are in excellent condition, along with the seat covers, carpet, and the sill plates. And you'll also notice we got the black boot for when the power top is down. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. As you make your way across the back, you can see that the rear bumper is just as beautiful as the front. You'll notice we got the dual tips, and that your stainless around the trunk is gorgeous. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side. You can see the body is straight as an arrow, and you'll notice we got the quick fill fuel cap as well. Now as you make your way around the passenger side, I'll take a step back, that way you can get a good appreciation for this timeless stance that's set up on this Challenger. You'll notice the body has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and that the stance is set off by the 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels with the Firestone Wide Oval Tires. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look under the hood of this Challenger. As you can see, everything under here has a gorgeous detail. It is set up with a 340 engine, which is correct for this car. You'll notice it's got the Edelbrock intake with the Holley carb, and that it does have manifolds. Now this car does have power steering and power brakes, and you'll also notice that we got the fender tag, which is correct, and we've also verified the cowl and radiator support numbers. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this convertible, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now that we have this Challenger up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the driveline, along with the frame and the floors. As you can see, everything has been clean, detailed, and the gas tank has been replaced. The trunk and floor pans all appear to be original in this Challenger, and they're in excellent condition. Now under the front, you can see that it's got disc brakes to go along with the power steering, and that new sway bar bushings were installed. The 340 engine is mated to the 3-speed manual trans, which is correct for this convertible. It goes out back to the 8 3/4-inch sure grip rear end with around a 355 gear. Now for exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes, mufflers, and resonators. Out back, you'll notice that it has the rear sway bar and then it's set up with drum brakes. And before we get it down on the highway, I want us to take another close look at how solid all of the floors, frame, and the rockers are.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.